the number one deficiency destroying your eyesight, and how to fix it. Are you tired of reaching for your glasses every morning? Do you feel like your vision is getting worse with each passing year? What if I told you there's a way to improve your eyesight naturally without relying on those pesky lenses? I've never been a fan of glasses. They feel like a crutch, a temporary fix that doesn't address the underlying problem. They correct your vision, sure, but do they actually improve it? It's a common story. Around age 45, many of us start needing glasses. We blame it on aging, but what if there's more to it than that? What if there's a hidden deficiency that's slowly robbing us of our clear vision? The real culprit behind declining eyesight for many isn't just blurry vision, it's something called contrast sensitivity loss. This is a subtle but significant issue that often goes unnoticed. Contrast sensitivity is your ability to distinguish between subtle shades of gray. Think of it as seeing the world in high definition versus standard definition. When you lose contrast sensitivity, things start to look blurry, especially in low light conditions. This loss indicates a breakdown in the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eye, and potentially even the lens. It's a sign that your eyes aren't functioning at their optimal level. The frustrating part is that standard eye exams rarely test for contrast sensitivity. They focus on high-contrast situations, black letters on a white chart, which doesn't reveal the subtle deficiencies. To detect contrast sensitivity loss, you need a specific test, one that's not typically included in a routine eye exam. This is why so many people are unaware of this problem until it significantly impacts their vision. Adding more light can temporarily compensate for contrast sensitivity loss. You might find yourself needing brighter lights to read or see clearly in dimly lit environments. However, this is just a band-aid solution. The real key to improving contrast sensitivity lies in increasing the level of antioxidants in your eyes. Antioxidants are your eye's best defense against damage. They protect the delicate retina from the harmful effects of blue light. Blue light, emitted from screens and artificial lighting, is the highest energy waveform and can cause significant oxidative stress in the eyes. This stress contributes to the breakdown of retinal cells and the development of vision problems. Specifically, a category of antioxidants called carotenoids plays a crucial role in protecting against blue light damage. Lutein and zeaxanthin are two of the most important carotenoids for eye health. These powerful antioxidants not only shield against blue light, but also protect against other threats like diabetes, pollution, and harmful chemicals. They're essential for maintaining healthy vision throughout your life. Unfortunately, as we age, our carotenoid levels naturally decline, leaving our eyes more vulnerable. This decline is a major factor in the development of age-related vision problems. At age 20, your retina is typically brimming with antioxidants, providing robust protection. This is why younger people often have sharper vision and are less susceptible to eye strain. However, by age 45 to 59, antioxidant levels in the retina are significantly lower. This reduction in protection makes the eyes more susceptible to damage from blue light and other environmental stressors. This decline also affects the efficiency of light absorption. By age 65, you need twice as much light to see as you did at age 20. This increased light requirement puts even more stress on the eyes. The first step to improving your eyesight is to optimize your light exposure. This means both the type of light you use indoors and the amount of natural sunlight you get. For indoor lighting, switch to full-spectrum light bulbs. These bulbs mimic natural sunlight and provide a more balanced spectrum of light, reducing eye strain and improving overall visual comfort. More importantly, prioritize natural sunlight exposure. Don't fall victim to sun phobia and excessive use of sunglasses. Regular sunlight exposure is therapeutic for your eyes. It helps to stimulate the production of essential nutrients and hormones that support healthy vision. UV and infrared light from the sun, often demonized, are actually beneficial in moderation. Infrared light, in particular, helps build up melatonin in the eyes, a powerful antioxidant that protects against damage. With sufficient carotenoid protection, the risks associated with UV radiation are significantly reduced. So, ditch the sunglasses, at least some of the time, and let your eyes soak up the sun's healing rays. The second key to improving your eyesight is to nourish your eyes with the right nutrients. This means focusing on foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin. Egg yolks are an excellent source of these carotenoids. However, pasture-raised eggs are even better, as they contain higher levels of these beneficial nutrients. If you're not getting enough lutein and zeaxanthin from your diet, consider taking supplements. Aim for a supplement containing at least 10 milligrams of lutein and 2 milligrams of zeaxanthin. To maximize absorption, take your supplements with a source of fat, such as olive oil or MCT oil. This helps your body absorb the fat-soluble carotenoids more effectively. Equally important is what you avoid eating. Steer clear of seed oils like soy, canola, cottonseed, and sunflower oil. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can interfere with the health of your retina. Instead, adopt an ancestral diet, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods. This means avoiding refined sugars, processed grains, and other inflammatory foods. Include plenty of fatty fish like salmon in your diet. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation in the eye and support overall eye health. The retina needs DHA, a specific type of omega-3 fatty acid, to function properly. Make sure you're getting enough omega-3s from your diet or through supplementation. Don't forget about vitamin D and vitamin A, two other essential nutrients for eye health. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in protecting against various eye conditions, including glaucoma, macular degeneration, and retinopathy. Aim for at least 10,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily, especially if you live in a region with limited sunlight exposure. Vitamin A, found in egg yolks and other animal products, is essential for night vision. To summarize, here's how to improve your eyesight naturally. Get outside more and expose your eyes to sunlight. Use full-spectrum light indoors. Build up your carotenoid levels by consuming foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, or by taking supplements. Eat a healthy ancestral diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins D and A. Poor eyesight is often linked to modern lifestyles that keep us indoors, glued to screens, and consuming processed foods. By making these simple changes, you can reclaim your vision and enjoy a brighter, clearer future. Take control of your eye health. Start by scheduling a contrast sensitivity test with your eye doctor. Then, begin incorporating the dietary and lifestyle changes we discussed today. For more in-depth information and resources on improving your eyesight naturally, click the link in the description below to download our free guide. Don't wait until your vision deteriorates further. Take action today and start seeing the world in a whole new light.